Hi, I'm Wes Gary. I've built boats and I've been around sail and power boating for most of my life. I've had my own plastics business for over 25 years and I've built a 55-foot sloop. I know polymer composites very well. I'm here today to talk about Forespar's line of Marelon marine plumbing fittings. I know that Marelon is not just a plastic, but an engineered carbon fiber and glass reinforced composite polymer, ideally formulated for marine use. If you go to your local boating supply store, you'll notice that there are several plastic plumbing choices available. Marelon, however, is the only plastic to meet the rigorous marine UL test. It's also ISO certified, and Marelon also meets the ABYC standards for above and below waterline. These are the same tests that bronze or stainless steel parts must pass too. I mention this because some of you may have seen Marelon fittings in stores and thought to yourself, it's a plastic and bronze has been the material of choice for boats in the past. Well, think again. What's your boat made out of? How about the hoses that are going to the valves? Well, if you accept those materials below the waterline, why not a valve that's made from truly 21st century carbon fiber reinforced polymer composite? There are other reasons as well. Marelon will never corrode. Because it's not made of anything metallic, it's never subject to the cancer ravages of electrolysis. You don't have to bond Marelon, so you don't have the additional copper bonding wires, and you don't have the additional potential corrosion of those wires as well, so all of that goes away. Marelon's also very lightweight. Typical bronze 1.5-inch seacock weighs about 10 pounds. Well, a comparable Marelon 1.5-inch seacock weighs less than 2 pounds. Think about how much more efficient you're going to be and how much more beer you can carry. So when you're walking down that plumbing aisle at your favorite marine hardware store and you see the plastic stuff on the shelf, remember that all plastics are not created equal, and Marelon's about as close as you can get to the material that your boat's made of in a precision molded, marine approved polymer composite. It's time to step out of the Bronze Age.